You mentioned tutoring. Tutoring is neither a good thing nor a bad thing. It's just more appropriate for some people than it is for other people. If you have a particularly shy child who doesn't perform well, who doesn't flourish in a classroom environment because they feel somehow introverted or intimidated by other people, then you may be better off having a one-to-one class. On the other hand, a classroom provides a lot of opportunities for that interaction and communication. You really need diversity of communication. You need to be able to hear different accents, as we've said. You need to be able to practice with a lot of different people, because that's what happens in real life. In real life, you don't spend your time talking to one person. You see, on the one hand, teaching looks very simple, because basically you go into a room and you talk to people, and then they give you money for it. It's amazing. It's so easy, right? But then on the other hand, it's incredibly nuanced and difficult to know how to respond to a group of individuals who are all in different moods and feel different things and at different levels of speaking, reading, writing, listening, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, all these different factors that go together. It's quite hard to pin down exactly what level somebody is sometimes. So you put all of these factors together. How do you do that without really high quality and appropriate training? I think my advice to parents would be, understand your child. That's the first thing, okay? Know the personality of your child. Try to talk with them. Ask them how they feel. One thing which is really important is that you don't push your child to do something they don't feel comfortable doing. As I said, I think there are two things. One is qualifications and experience. The other one is empathy and personality. So you mentioned your friend who perhaps doesn't feel positive about teaching. My question is, if you don't feel positive about teaching, how do you communicate positivity to the students? How do you create a positive environment when you don't feel positive about the work that you're doing? Maybe you're just a very good actor, I don't know. But really, as a parent, you want to say, is this person safe? Are they properly qualified? And I mean, do they have qualifications from an organisation that I can trust to quality assure that, to quality assure that training? And then, does their personality fit with my child's personality?